I'm going to walk through a brief example on how to merge data using Pandas DataFrames. So I set up some code here in order to read up two CSV files, the first one being an employees file and the second one being a department file. And basically an employee will belong to one department and we will be joining on department ID. So we'll take a look at that data in a little bit. First things first, I'll import my Pandas library or module. Next, I'll read the CSV file, and you can grab it from this URL specifically. Here I'm displaying two records. I have a UID, first, last name, and a department number. Next, I'll actually import the data for department. And as you can see, that department file under department CSV is basically a department number, which aligns to the data type here, and a department name. So in order to merge the data, we'll type pd merge for pandas merge, and in the first frame it's going to be the first argument is going to be our left data set. In this case I want to be employee, and then our right data set, which is going to be department. Next, we'll basically instruct it on how to join. This is very similar to SQL. So I'll simply do an inner join because I already know that the data for employees has department filled out all the way across. And the key that I want to join it on is going to be department. So this is numeric, and I already know that because I'm familiar with the data set. But you can always preview it just to ensure, and preview the data types just to ensure that you're joining on the right type of data type, because that will impact things. But otherwise, those two values are good to merge on. So now I have pd merge employee to department using an inner join on the field department. So I can preview the first, let's say, two records of that, and that's what I have. So department 1 is actually sales, as we see here. So employees with department 1 do end up with a department name as sales. And if you want to save these results so that you can reference them later, you can simply assign them to a variable. I'll call this merged as like merged data frame. And so now I want to preview what's in merged. And I get like this set of records in merged. Oh, actually, you know what? It only saved two records because this head argument here, parameter at the end. So let me take that off, hit run, and then merged again, and I see a sample of 5 records here. So that is how you use pandas in order to merge data. Yeah, keep in mind this is the merge function. Is very similar to or has similar logic to that of SQL. So you can use left joins here or right joins as well. Thank you.